So we are on our way to the dollar store because guess what? Tomorrow is my sister's 25th birthday. So we're on our way. We're gonna go now. Let me know if anyone else does this. We hear our neighbors about to open the door and then we don't want to open the door because we don't want to say hi to people and we're like scared.
Well, it could also be because it's cold.
Okay, well that's also it, but like we've done this even before COVID. Let me know if you guys do that. Oh my god.
Yes.
Wait, yes.
I was thinking of the saddle hats, but cowboy hats work too.
No, but these are funny because it's like cowboy. Dylan.
Yo. So okay, so then instead of horse girl, it's My Little Pony.
No, it's funky horse girl. Oh, this is a horse one. Yes.
You found a horse one? Let me see. Hey.
Okay, if people don't understand this, my sister like loved horses as a kid. Like we actually used to go horseback riding. Like we've been quite a few times for her birthday because she just loves it so much. So that's why we keep going with the horse girl thing. Last year I got these big balloons. I'll insert a photo of horses. I thought they were hilarious. But this year's funky horse, like Casey Musgraves. Like think of Casey Musgraves, like that vibe.
Yo, smiley face balloons?
I already got them.
Is there a horse hat?
Alien use. That's fine.
This one. This is Sydney's name tag, Rachel.
Oh my gosh, we need these.
Oh, yo, you found a mother load.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, there's so many
Yo,
ponies.
My Little Pony with brushes? That's sick.
Unicorn poo putty.
Poo putty? Ew, really? Why? Should we get her that?
For our drinks. Instead of Sid's birthday, sorry I didn't film the setup this morning. It was pretty simple and self-explanatory, and also our apartment was a mess, so we needed to rush and clean that up, but now everyone's late. The theme initially was horse girl because my sister loves horses, but it turned into kind of like a funky horse theme situation. So we got everything from the Dollar Tree. It was super inexpensive, and we were, even though we wanted to have fun, we were also like a little bit more mindful of how much we were consuming. Like I love those balloon, like complete balloon garlands, but first thing, our space is really small, and secondly, it's only for one day, so we limited ourselves to only one pack of balloons, and then just like a few little things. We didn't do any plastic plates, plastic cups, any of that, because we have enough flatware. There's not that many people coming over. It's literally just my family and some significant others. So yeah, let's take you around the tour. We're not like completely done yet. I'm sure you guys will see the B-roll, but I made this balloon garland. It was really easy. It literally only took 2 packs of balloons. The smiley faces were already on them, which is sick. And then these were also from Dollar Tree, so I love that. Thought it was really fun. Not really horse themed, I just thought it was cute. And then this garland we actually saved from last year's birthday. That's the thing, we save a lot of decorations and we try to repurpose them. So I printed out a bunch of Sydney's like baby face because she was like the cutest baby ever. And then we made a pretty little garland last year. So it's coming back up again. We have some name cards here that Dylan and I painted. And it's, again, something that we saved, and we kind of put it out here when we have family dinners and stuff over here. The My Little Ponies became part of the flower arrangement, which I thought was really sweet. And then over here, we have like a bead bar going on. So I think it's just really fun to do bracelet making and stuff. And then, instead of like traditional cone party hats, I found these like cowboy-shaped party hats. I think that's really fun. And then I also got a bunch of stickers like My Little Pony and things like that. I thought that would be really, really cute. And then we also have a horse girl banner. So that's the birthday banner. We just stuck it on our fireplace. Everything was really simple. We just wanted like a cute enough spread. We're just gonna like order pizza and Caesar salad and drink fizzy drinks and have a nice time with my family. But yeah, we just decided to do it obviously really low key here because of COVID. Normally we would probably go out for dinner or something like that, but you know, like obviously like my grandma's coming over and it just like wouldn't make sense for us to go out for dinner. We're doing this instead. Yeehaw.
Beans. Armed robbery? Come here. Armed robbery.
Okay. Ooh. looking rough over here. The party was really fun. This is the next day, obviously. It was pouring rain and we just kind of did a quick trip and we ended up going to HomeSense. Okay, the first thing I got was another dish brush, and I love these brushes because you're able to throw them into the dishwasher and stuff like that. And then the next thing I got for Toledo, and I don't know if I think this is common for rescue dogs, but Toledo just wolfs down his food. He is always hungry. He's wolfing down his food all the time to the point where he's like gasping for air, and sometimes he's like choking and like not seriously choking, but he has to like cough up his food. So we got this slow feeder for him. We got the little size because he is short snouted. There was like a deeper one, but we figure we'll start with the small one first because first thing, he doesn't even eat kibble. He eats like this muffin that we break up for him. So I think that the shallower one would be better. I thought that this would be really cute and hopefully it will be well suited for Toledo's needs. So we'll try that out today and see if it works. And the next thing that we got, it's by Sand and Fog, and this was like kind of expensive. It was an expensive candle for what it was, but it's $30, which I think is similar to probably how much this would cost at Target. A large, like, I think this is 7-wick candle, and I think that this will look really nice on our dining table sort of thing, or even, ooh, maybe I'll put it up there. I'm gonna put it up there because I think it'll look really nice, so we're going to do that as well. We filmed our living room tour in the last vlog, so definitely check that out if you guys want to see like the entire living room. But I want to show you our new little addition. Guys, this looks really cute right here, so I think I'm just gonna keep that there for now. The thing behind it is just a screen for our window because we have an AC unit in there, but I think that this looks really cute.
'Cause I was trying to play my part.
Okay, go.
My lines memorized in my heart.
So we are heading to the thrift store because I have a few videos coming up where I really want to thrift. So I'm going to show you guys and take you guys along with me right now.
Memorized in my heart.
Isn't that cute?
For like flowers?
Yeah, maybe this will be my aloe one. It'll be $5. Is that ugly? It's for me and all my friends.
For the squad?
Oh my god, they have this. They have, whoa.
So overstock?
Now I feel like I should get two so I can do a matching top for the thriftlet.
Oh, that'd be dope.
Saw this. Saw this. Okay, so this one is $2.99. But what if I shirr the whole bottom here? Like, that'd be so cute. So fun.
When I'm with you, I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV. I know the truth and it's so simple. Blame it all on stupid impulse, and I keep living out of my head.
Officially back from the thrift store. We actually picked up some like little grocery bits too because there's like a local grocer right there which has like the cutest stuff and like some pretty inexpensive like flowers and stuff like that. So I got some lilies for the table and then another arrangement for our bedroom. I just love doing that because like flowers just make me so happy. Like I know that they don't last very long and all that, but they just feel like they bring good energy into our home. Let's just show you guys what I got. I got 3 things which are going to be coming up in a thrift flip, so definitely stay tuned for that. I spent $16 in total. So the first thing I got here, so it was $2.99. It's just a Tommy Hilfiger yellow long sleeve, but my plan for this is either to make it into a tube top or maybe a halter top or something and just kind of rework it to something a little bit more current. It's really nice, and that's quite inexpensive for Tommy Hilfiger at the thrift. The next thing that I managed to pick up is this shirt I'm also going to be reworking. It's originally by Millennium, 100% cotton. This was $3 as well. I think they call these peasant tops, and it has a lot of shirring. So my plan is to kind of resize it to make it fit me and then crop it and and then the last thing I got will definitely be the largest project in terms of thrift. reworking and thrift flipping. They actually had a bunch of these pants that were overstock. There's so many overstock items at this particular thrift shop. These were $4.99 each, and they're these wild pants. Like, are these not the most wild pants you've ever seen? They only had a large and extra large, so I got one size of each, and my plan is to make a matching set. So I'm going to try to make a top out of one and then keep the other as a pant, and then maybe resize them to fit me a little bit better. So guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these type of like weekly vlogs and stuff, and just showing you guys a little bit into my day-to-day life. If you guys like these videos, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because I would absolutely love to have you. I'm going to try to link as many details in the description box below for everything, and stay active in my comment section. But yeah, that's it. That's the end. See you guys later.
I keep losing to a moment where I'm with you, I just